Good morning children, let us continue history lesson 4 and what books and burials are giving. In previous classes we have completed about the Rigveda. Yesterday I have started about the burials. The burial sites are selected by the people by keeping of the megaliths. The megalith means using of the big stones they used to construct the burial places. So children, along with the dead body, what the person like, along with the dead body, the what materials they like and ornaments and different kinds of the things they used to keep with the dead body. By seeing of the dead body, what is the materials are there, and the archaeologist today he is telling about burial places, what information, what differences it is there. Let us continue today finding out about social differences. So children, in the burial places also there is a differences are there, it seems. How the differences are here? So here archaeologists think that objects found with the skeleton probably belongs to the dead body. The archaeologists, when they will find that when they found the evidences in the burial place, so there also they have seen some of the burial places and they found the different ornaments, and some of the places there are also differences is there. How the differences are there here? Sometimes more objects are found in one grave only. So children, the burial place, when there is a different grave, that means the buried burial places are there, they found the more objects. Objects means different types of the ornaments and all the materials also. So here one example they have given here. Here one skeleton was buried with 33 gold beads, 2 stone beads, 4 copper bangles and 1 conch shell. And the archaeologists they found the evidences along with the skeleton. There is the 33 gold beads also it is there, 2 stone beads also is there, copper bangles along children. After the death with the skeleton and ornaments, they are not going to be spoiled, that will be remaining as usual same. So along with the skeleton the archaeologist found different ornaments with the skeleton also. So that other skeleton have only few parts. So one of the skeleton in the one grave, one of the burial place, they found the different ornaments, beads, stone beads and copper bangles, and they found that. And one more grave in another place, they have found only the pots, only the small pots only they have found that particular place. These findings suggest that there was some differences in the status amongst the people also. So children, we can see that by seeing of the burials, the people also can think that there is a social difference it is there. How the social difference is there? So the rich people and poor people, what kinds of the ornaments they were using here. Among us the people who were buried, some were rich and other poor people also are there. So the rich people they used to keep the gold, silver, copper, everything they used. But the poor people they used the pots and different ornament, different kinds of the materials they found. So by seeing of the burial places also, the archaeologist is giving information that there is a difference, social difference is there in the people also, in when they are going to bury the dead body also. So children, let us continue in the tomorrow's class.